element from the periodic table. It is the chemical element that has the symbol Ne and has the atomic number of 10. And it's very rare on Earth, but common in the universe.
For real? How does it give off that vibrant color?
Well, neon is a colorless, inert, noble gas. Under circumstances, it gives off a reddish-orange glow in low voltage.
Whoa, that's cool.
Guess what that is?
One.
Guess what that is? Guess what that is? That's the chemical element neon.
You can see me in the mirror.
Ne.
Don't do that, Gwen. That's bad for you.
Come a minute.
I don't know what to do. Party, yeah.
Fun.
Last Friday night. Oh my god. We're recording. Oh my god. Woo, party. Get in this. Oh yeah, party.
Party.
This is so retarded.